Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Parmeshwari. I am back with another informative video for you. In this video, I'm gonna share some useful information about buying a condo versus independent house. So this is one such question we had in our mind when we decided to buy a home in Canada. So I thought I would share this information here so that it will be useful for you as well. So first thing is, condos are less expensive when compared to an independent house. So if you go for a 3-bedroom condo, it can the prices can start from $400,000, whereas an independent house can start from $600,000 or $700,000. So less expensive means lower your down payment and your monthly EMI, so which will not affect much of your monthly budget. So that is first thing. And next is lower the maintenance. So in condos, maintenance are very less, especially the exterior maintenance, whereas in independent house you will have to take care of your roof maintenance every 10 years, and you have to take care of your snow shoveling during winter, and you have to take care of your lawn maintenance and backyard maintenance during summer. This is very important, because if you fail to do so, your neighbors can always complain against you to the city and you can get fined up to $500. So there is a dedicated time that is required for this maintenance. Third point, garbage disposal. So in condos it is very easy. All you have to do is tie your garbage and put it in the garbage chute, but it's not same when you come to an independent house. You will have 3 different bins and you will start accumulating your garbage, whether it is a yard waste, organic or a recycle. Then you will have to know the pickup dates of these garbage and keep the bin outside so that it can be picked up by the garbage truck. So again, you need to have additional time, dedicated time for this. Condos usually have a maintenance fee because all the common areas are maintained by the home association. So you'll be paying $500 or $1,000. So you will have to pay this, and it can change every year depending on the home association. So and in the independent house there is no such fee, so you are the one who are going to maintain and you can avoid those maintenance fees. That is one advantage. And you can enjoy the additional amenities like common swimming pool, gym, sauna and other recreational areas like parks or whatever, whereas in your independent house you're going to miss all those things. So that is one point. And I was also missing one thing. When I was in apartment, I used to enjoy the view from 25th floor, which I still miss. Though I have a balcony in my home, I'm still missing that view from 25th floor. So if you are used to that view, then you're going to miss that as well. Condos, if you want to do any renovations inside your house, you still have to get permissions from home associations, whereas if you want to do anything in your independent house, it's your own house and you don't need to take any permission unless it's a major renovation that you're going to do, where you will have to take permission from the city. If you buy a condo, you will get only one parking spot with the unit, and if you need additional parking spot, then you will have to buy it or pay a monthly fee for that. Whereas if you have an independent house, whether you buy a single garage or a double garage, you will have a additional parking spot. Always you can park your cars outside or inside depending on your garage capacity. So that's one thing. Okay, next point is resale value is more for independent house usually than condos. So these are the points that we considered when we decided what we should go for, and we ended up buying a detached independent house. And again, there is no such common formula that can be applied for everyone's situation. So it's you who knows your situation better. Depending on your financial stability, your priorities, your preferences, you can decide which one works better for you. I have seen people first who got a condo and then moved to an independent house because they wanted a more bigger spacious house. And then I've also seen people moving from an independent house back to a condominium because they couldn't spend a dedicated time for all this maintenance. So it all depends on you, and first house is always a dream for everyone. I hope you take a proper decision, and I wish you all the very best.
I hope this video is useful for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Bye bye.